Because some of our Igbo, we believe that without the Europeans, our ancestors would have just been in one kind local village and they're not even trying to adjust it. Oh, your ancestors were committing human sacrifices and all those things. Now, I'm not trying to make an argument on it, but at the same time, our colonialists were also butchering themselves. They had wars they were fighting, they were involving in slave trade. Because tell me a civilized society that is going to feel it is okay to demonize a certain group of people, use them for labor, maltreat them, and do anything they want to do to them. It's not a hallmark of civilization. But we were colonized and we were treated badly. Look at the instances of Eva Valley. What happened to the miners? So it is clear to tell you that even though they came with their own inventions that made us to look like, oh, these people are wonderful. They have all these inventions, so we should not abandon our own. They also had issues, and every society has issues and problems that they are supposed to deal with and solve on their own. So peradventure, or perhaps our ancestors engaged in human sacrifice like they claimed, we would have also evolved out of it the same way they evolved from fighting amongst themselves for territory, for food, and keeping people as slaves and all those things. The same way we would have also evolved out of it, as if it's happened the way they were trying to categorize it.